Are you for the best fire blankets? Fire safety is crucial, and fire blankets play a vital role in protecting lives and property. These blankets are made from fire-resistant materials. They can stop small fires before they spread. Simple to use, they cover the flames, cutting off oxygen and extinguishing them. List number: Zygi 43, an emergency fire blanket. 3-pack fire suppression blanket. Stay safe with the Zygi 43, an emergency fire blanket. Perfect for kitchens, fireplaces, grills, and offices. Easy to use for quick fire suppression. Comes with 3 pairs of gloves for extra protection. Compact design makes storage simple and convenient. Reliable and essential for every home or workspace. Advantages: safety first in emergencies. The Zygi fire blanket helps protect lives. Ideal for kitchen, home, or office use. It quickly smothers flames. Versatile protection for various situations. Use it for fires in fireplaces, grills, or kitchens. Its effectiveness makes it a valuable asset in any setting. Convenience in numbers. The 3-pack ensures multiple locations are covered. Never worry about running out during crucial moments. Easy to use and store. Compact design fits in small spaces. Quick deployment provides immediate fire suppression. Added protection with gloves. Includes 3 pairs for safe handling. Shield hands from heat while managing emergencies. List number: Loveland Emergency Fire Blanket 2-pack Fire Suppression Blanket. Prepare for peace of mind with the Loveland Emergency Fire Blanket. Perfect for kitchen safety. This 40 by 40 blanket is designed to quickly suppress fires. Each pack contains 2 durable fiberglass blankets, offering reliable protection at home. The white color blends seamlessly with any decor, ensuring both safety and style. Ideal for easy storage and swift access during emergencies. Your safety is just a blanket away. Advantages: fire safety made simple. The Loveland Emergency Fire Blanket offers quick and easy protection. Great for kitchen fires. It's a practical tool for every household. Compact size, easy to store and carry. This fire blanket fits neatly in drawers or cabinets, ready for emergencies. Durable fiberglass material provides reliable heat resistance. This ensures effective fire suppression without catching fire itself. No training needed. Simple to use. Just pull out the blanket and cover the flames to extinguish small fires. Reusable and mess-free. Unlike fire extinguishers, it leaves no residue. Perfect for quick cleanups after an emergency. List number: Hopavi 2-pack Emergency Fire Blanket. Protect your home with the Hopavi 2-pack Emergency Fire Blanket. Perfect for home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures. These 40-inch by 40-inch flame-resistant blankets offer safety in emergencies. Ideal for camping, barbecues, or picnics. Easy to store in your car, near fireplaces, or in warehouses. Ensure peace of mind with reliable fire protection. Advantages: fire blankets offer a quick safety solution. These blankets can stop small fires fast. Ideal for home and kitchen use. They provide peace of mind during emergencies. Easy to store and deploy. Versatile for various settings. From camping to picnics, they're essential. Useful in cars, fireplaces, and warehouses. Protects against unexpected flames. Always ready for action. Simple and effective. No training needed to use. Just pull and cover the fire. Anyone can handle it easily. Perfect for all ages. Compact and convenient design. Takes minimal space at home. Easy to carry anywhere. Fits effortlessly in backpacks. Great for travel safety. Reliable protection with flame-resistant material. Designed to withstand high temperatures, durable and long-lasting, offers dependable fire safety, a wise investment for families. List number: Vita Polaris Heavy-Duty Emergency Fire Blanket. Stay safe with Vita Polaris Emergency Fire Blanket. Perfect for homes and kitchens. Made from fireproof fiberglass. Ideal for welding, fireplaces, cars, and camping. Suppresses grease fires effectively. Each pack includes 2 reliable blankets, easy to use in emergencies. Advantages: fire safety is crucial at home and outdoors. Vita Polaris Fire Blanket offers reliable protection. Reliable fire suppression for grease fires. Quickly smother flames in seconds. Keeps your kitchen safe. Versatile, used for multiple scenarios. Ideal for welding, camping, cars, fire safety wherever you need it. Durable fiberglass material ensures longevity, resists high temperatures effectively, strong and long-lasting protection. Compact and easy to store, fits in kitchen drawers easily, ready for emergencies anytime. 2-pack offers extra security. Keep one in the car. Extra peace of mind for unexpected fires. List number BX Fray Fire Blanket for home and kitchen. Ensure safety with the BX Fray Fire Blanket. Perfect for home and kitchen emergencies. Crafted from durable fiberglass, it effectively suppresses flames, providing peace of mind. Its 40 by 40 size covers more area, offering reliable protection. Conveniently packed in a set of 2, ensuring you're always prepared. Easy to use and store, making it a must-have safety tool for every household. Advantages: perfect for emergencies. The BXFRA Fire Blanket ensures safety at home. It quickly smothers small fires, preventing them from spreading further. Ideal for kitchen mishaps, it covers flames without using water. Made from fiberglass, it withstands high temperatures and remains durable. Easy to store and grab when needed, it enhances household preparedness.